Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you some exercises that will ease your tense muscles. After a full day of work, you need these exercises to let your body relax before sleeping. If you knew someone who have worked hard the whole day, maybe you can share this set of exercises.
The first exercise is called sun salutation. This is a full body exercise. It boosts circulation, builds strength and flexibility, and helps energize your entire system while calming the mind. The next one is called forward fold, a deep stretch for the hamstrings and lower back. It releases tension, improves flexibility, and encourages relaxation by calming the nervous system. The third exercise is called butterfly pose, great for opening the hips and inner thighs. It helps reduce stiffness in the lower back and supports better circulation and mobility. The fourth exercise is called 45-45 pose. This pose improves hip rotation and knee stability. It's excellent for joint health and helps balance flexibility and strength in the lower body. The fifth exercise is called thread the needle, perfect for relieving tension in the shoulders, neck, and upper back. It also improves spinal mobility and helps release stored stress. The next one is called puppy pose, a heart-opening stretch that lengthens the spine and shoulders. It gently releases upper back tightness while promoting calm and deep breathing. The seventh exercise is figure 4, targets the hips and glutes, helping to ease lower back discomfort. It's great for improving mobility and relieving tension from long sitting. The eighth exercise is called spinal twist. Detoxifies the body, improves spinal flexibility, and massages internal organs. It also helps release back stiffness and refresh the spine.